In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos of constant consumerism, clutter, and the pressure to have more. But what if I told you that you don't have to be a strict minimalist to benefit from a simpler, more intentional life? Minimalism isn't just about owning fewer things, it's about living with purpose, focus, and clarity. In this video, I'm going to share 10 proven minimalist rules that will help you simplify your life, save money, reduce stress, and create space for what truly matters, even if you don't consider yourself a minimalist. 1. Buy less, choose wisely. It's easy to get caught in the trap of buying things because they're on sale, because we think we need them, or simply out of habit. But one of the most powerful minimalist rules is to buy less, but choose wisely. Before purchasing anything, ask yourself, is this something I really need? Will it add lasting value to my life? This simple question helps you slow down and make intentional choices. Instead of mindlessly filling your cart, you'll be investing in items that truly serve a purpose. Whether it's a pair of shoes or a gadget, if it doesn't meet a clear need or bring lasting joy, it's probably better to pass. 2. Keep only what you use or love. Clutter is often the result of holding on to things out of obligation or sentimentality. Minimalism encourages us to keep only what we use or love. Take a look around your space. Are there items you haven't used in months or things that no longer spark joy? If it doesn't serve a purpose, it's time to let go. Regularly decluttering your space not only frees up physical space but also clears mental clutter, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. This rule applies to everything from clothes to kitchen gadgets, from books to sentimental trinkets. 3. Simplify your digital life. We often forget that our digital space needs decluttering too. Emails, apps, files, and notifications can all add to the chaos. Minimalism doesn't just apply to physical objects, it's about simplifying your digital life as well. Start by cleaning up your inbox, organizing your files, and deleting apps you don't use. Turn off unnecessary notifications so you're not constantly bombarded. When your digital space is organized, you'll feel less distracted and more focused on what's important. 4. Invest in quality over quantity. This is a big one, and it's not just about buying fewer things, it's about buying better things. Investing in quality over quantity means you'll buy fewer items, but they'll last longer and serve you better. Think about your wardrobe. Do you need 20 cheap t-shirts? Or would 5 high-quality ones that fit perfectly and last longer be a better investment? This rule extends to furniture, kitchenware, and even electronics. The idea is that buying better, lasting products reduces the need for replacements, ultimately saving you money and reducing waste in the long run. 5. Eliminate time wasters. Minimalism isn't just about what you own, it's about how you spend your time. The goal is to eliminate time wasters and focus on what truly matters to you. Think about how much time you spend scrolling through social media, binge-watching shows, or mindlessly checking your phone. Instead, create space in your schedule for things that bring you joy, like spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or focusing on personal growth. Prioritize activities that align with your values and goals. 6. Create routines for simplicity. Having simple routines in place can drastically reduce decision fatigue and help streamline your day. Whether it's a morning routine that sets a positive tone for the day or an evening routine that helps you unwind, having a structured plan makes life easier and more predictable. For example, meal prepping on Sundays can save you time and money during the week, while a consistent bedtime routine ensures you get the rest you need. Routines help you stay organized and intentional, so you can focus on the important things rather than getting lost in the day-to-day chaos. 7. Say no more often. Saying yes to everything can quickly lead to burnout and overwhelm. Minimalism teaches us to say no more often in order to preserve our time, energy, and resources. It's not always easy, especially when we feel the pressure to please others, but saying no allows you to protect your priorities. If an invitation, task, or commitment doesn't align with your values or add value to your life, it's okay to decline. Saying no gives you more space for the things that truly matter. 8. Focus on experiences, not things. Minimalism encourages us to focus on experiences rather than accumulating material possessions. Experiences like travel, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing passions often bring more lasting happiness than any object ever could. Instead of buying things to impress others or fill a void, invest in experiences that create memories and enrich your life. These are the things that will truly bring joy and fulfillment in the long run. 9. Automate your finances. A minimalist approach to finances means simplifying how you manage money. One of the best ways to do this is by automating your savings, bills, and investments. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts, retirement funds, or investments, so you don't have to think about it. Automating your finances reduces stress, ensures you're consistently saving, and allows you to focus on other aspects of your life without worrying about your financial future. 10. Practice gratitude and contentment. Finally, minimalism is about practicing gratitude and contentment with what you already have. We live in a world that constantly pushes us to want more, but true happiness comes from appreciating what's already in front of us. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Focus on what you have, not what you don't. Practicing gratitude shifts your mindset and helps you find joy in simplicity. These 10 minimalist rules aren't about depriving yourself or living with nothing. They're about making intentional choices that lead to a simpler, more fulfilling life. By applying even a few of these principles, you can save money, reduce stress, and create more space for the things that truly matter. Minimalism isn't a one-size-fits-all lifestyle, and you don't need to be a strict minimalist to benefit from these rules. Whether you're looking to save money, find more peace, or just simplify your daily routine, these habits can help you live a more intentional and fulfilling life. Which of these minimalist rules do you think would simplify your life the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on living intentionally, saving money, and simplifying your life. Let's make 2025 the year of simplicity and focus.